Hi guys, welcome to Moby Tech. After so many leaks and rumors, OnePlus finally launched its OnePlus 8 series on 14th of April. But unfortunately we didn't see OnePlus launching its budget-friendly smartphone OnePlus E. After the launch of OnePlus 8 series, OnePlus on its Weibo account has now teased the new smartphone box with a question mark on it. This new OnePlus device has been speculated to be the OnePlus E. OnePlus was supposed to launch this device along with OnePlus 8 series. According to leaker Steve, OnePlus has postponed its launch due to coronavirus pandemic. Ishan Agarwal, another leaker, has previously stated that OnePlus E would launch by July. Moving on to the specs, OnePlus has already announced all its future smartphones will be having at least 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus E will be the first device to have MediaTek Dimensity 1000 with a 5G connectivity, and it would be most affordable 5G smartphone in the market, which is the latest and flagship level chipset from MediaTek. According to the sources, OnePlus E will be paired with at least 6GB RAM and 128GB onboard storage. This device will likely have triple camera setup with 48MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a depth sensor for the portrait effect. And for selfies it would be having 16MP front camera with face unlock and 1080p video recording. OnePlus E will be the successor of OnePlus X, which was launched in 2015 with affordable price, and now OnePlus is likely to revive the same. Considering the chipset, OnePlus is going to be most affordable 5G smartphone in the market. As per leaks, OnePlus E would be launched at $400 to $500, that is around 30,000 Indian rupees. Thank you guys for watching, hope you liked this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for daily new updates.